All right, I'm gonna teach you how to make this delicious candy cane coffee. Basically, the candy cane coffee is my version of a peppermint mocha. So when I was first experimenting with this drink, I was using peppermint syrup, and the peppermint syrup was never strong enough. So my wife had an amazing idea to use candy canes instead. That's how we came up with the candy cane coffee. Now you're going to need a mortar and pestle, or you're going to crush the candy canes in a little food processor. But I'll be doing it in this today. And the amount of peppermint powder you want to add is up to you. If you want it stronger, then obviously you're going to add more powder. The candy canes I'm going to be using today are from Whole Foods. It's their organic candy canes. And I like them because they're cleaner. Like this has organic cane sugar, it has brown rice syrup, organic fruit and organic vegetable juice concentrate to color these red so we don't have the red dyes. And red radish, apple, black currant, and natural flavor, which I guess their natural flavor is their peppermint oil. So let's crush some candy canes. First, I put 2 of these little candy canes in here, and I'm gonna grind them coarsely for the topping. As you can see here, it's coarsely ground, and this is going to be for the topping that I'm gonna put on top of the whipped cream. And I got an extra container to keep it in. And now for the candy cane powder to make the coffee. And I went ahead and got 5 of these candy canes. Next, I'm going to make the coffee, and I'm going to be using this Mount Hagen Organic Decaf. All right? And we're going to concentrate the coffee, so you're going to need 1 teaspoon of coffee with 1/4 cup of hot water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. And I'm not being too exact here. That's close enough. As you can see, I don't make it too full. This is close enough. And I don't want it too sweet, because you're going to get all the sugar from not only the chocolate syrup, but the candy canes. All right, the next thing is I want to heat up some milk. And I'm going to be using 3/4 of a cup per coffee. All right, milk's ready. Give it a little stir. Next, add your peppermint powder. This is 1 tablespoon. And again, it's depending on how strong you want the peppermint flavor. So I know I'm going to put 2. My wife doesn't like it as strong, so I'm only going to put 1 in hers. Stir that. All right, we're almost done. Now we got to put some whipped cream. And add some sprinkles. And you put your candy cane. On top. And there you have it, your candy cane coffee. Let's try it. Amazing. It's delicious. You're going to love it. It's awesome. Merry Christmas. All right, everybody, we're at 2025 San Antonio, Texas collectathon for all the collectible stuff. So do you spin it to win a free one? Can I spin it? Yeah. All right, I'm free spinning.
All right. That is used the cryptid-based trading card game.
So what?
Cryptid-based trading card game. So like Bigfoot, Mothman, Chupacabra. You got a mailbox promo card, which is the San Antonio exclusive card at the Riverwalk.
Cool. Thank you. This is the mailbox postcard. I think it's a collectathon event card. And this is pretty cool. Metal posters. Anime pins. There's a giant dragon here in the card area. I guess this is just an area to sit and eat. This is cool, a dragon egg lamp. I think I should maybe get one of these for my podcast room. If you're someone who plays Call of Duty, these are the four most famous perks from Call of Duty Zombies. Check out this book. Check out the prices of some of these cards. Like this one right here is $14,000. That's amazing. Check out this giant Pokemon. You can see by the person next to it taking a picture how big it is. These are purebred fluffy French bulldogs. All right, this is a robot. Wow, check this out. This is awesome. That is super cool. Did you build this?
No, the robot is one of our characters.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but to make it real, not to make our game alive.
That's cool, man. That's awesome.
Thank you, sir.